Okay. So these are all the resources. How do you manage those resources? So resources means people and the equipment, even financial. Values and empower internal human resources. Leverage external sources to ensure you have the best team and equipment possible. Resource management plan. What is resource management plan all about? It is managing the resources, a component of project management plan that describes how project resources are acquired, allocated, monitored, and controlled. See this? Here, for human resource, we need to acquire resources. Sorry, not human resources, any resources. If it is not there, you have to procure it. You have to acquire it. Correct. And you have to allocate to that work. And you have to monitor and control. So what are the things in resource management plan? You have to identify resources. You have to acquire them. Then you have to, if it is people related, then you have to assign the roles and responsibilities. Then you have to, which resource is what? Reporting to what? Even if it is a physical report, who is responsible for that? For that organization chart is important. Then project team resource management, guidelines to how to define, select and manage these these resources and release resources. You have to give training, team development methods, the resources control, recognition plan. Some are part of human resources. Okay, some are part of both physical and the human resources. So these are all the components of a resource management plan. All these details are included in the resource management plan. Okay, all the training details, everything. Team resource management, their roles and responsibilities, how do we acquire them, how do we train them, how do we maintain them, all these things available in the resource management plan. What we are learning now here, we are doing the planning. We are not yet started the executing part. These are all part of the planning. Assign resources and allocate responsibilities. Assign team members to project. Okay. Decide roles and responsibilities. Create team directory, organization chart and schedule. Maybe you can say resource breakdown structure. Project schedules, resource assignments and budgets are all interrelated and can be created at the same time. Resources, budget, project schedules. For this one, this schedule, these are all the resources available. Correct. These are all the budget. So these are all interconnected. You can create at the same time. Oh, this is the schedule. Okay, this is the budget. And these are all the resources available. And these are all we need to allocate to this schedule. Okay. So all these things you can at a time you can create. Tailor major responsibilities according to team needs and project approach. Consider technical and soft skill, experience, knowledge, skills, attitude, and regional factors. All these things you have to consider while allocating the responsibilities. This is applicable to the predictive environment. Okay, this is applicable to the predictive. Assign resources and allocate responsibilities. Use calendar, resource calendar. What is resource calendar? Basically, when what will be available in case of human resources, leave. Okay, all these details. Document resource availability, people, material, etc. during a planned activity period. You know, our normal calendar, attendance calendar, same way the physical equipment calendar also there. You can mark it. Use when estimating project activities and understanding dependencies.